Why are you scaring them? We're back at Edsa, Shang. So we enjoyed our last staycation here. So with the skyrocketing fuel prices, we decided to take advantage of their summer flash sale and just chill for the Holy Week. Oh, we'll share with you the highlights of our stay.
It's open na.
This is our room. This is the tower wing.
Open my cookie.
Wow, you got a cookie?
Unang dating junk food na.
Do you like your cookies?
Yes.
Wow. Wow, it's so yummy. I like it. How many cookies do you have?
2 lang.
What's that? Why are you eating my burger?
No, Papa's eating the burger.
Oh, did he eat that?
Yeah.
Why are you eating my fries?
Now I'm just eating the half of fries.
Oh. Are you hungry again?
Yeah.
You just ate cookies.
I always eat a lot so that
So that's what?
Wala siyang kinain na
eat with me. Eat with me.
Okay.
Look, this space here. I move.
Okay, wait lang. Did you have fun? Huh? Are you excited? What did you like the most? What did you like the most? Did you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I did swimming.
Oh, you love swimming?
Oh, you're swimming!
Oh, Rick, you shove it! Austin, hello! Hello! Let's watch that video later. Here! You have so many. Dali, dali. Go down. Can you go down? I'll hold your hand. Go down. You have lots of floaties na. Okay, let's go. I'll help you.
A few inches later.
Don't go away! Where's your tattoo? Oh, your band-aid is there. Tada! Tada!
What is that on her elbow? What is that?
It's a tattoo. You want to put later?
No.
A few moments later.
You wanna put a tattoo also?
No, you don't peel it. You have to put water.
And then,
Why?
let's try it.
Basa-basa. Sponge rotation.
Wow!
Why you white hair?
It has to be wet. Sorry, it's dripping.
Wow! It's so nice. You like it?
Yes.
Ooh, you have so many na. Can I see? Oh, then you have... Wow! This is mine. What are you bringing?
My toys and photo.
This is my floater na.
Mine, it's not for people.
What's it for?
You're not people.
Who's
No,
it
I'm
for?
a kid.
Oh.
I'm still
Let's go, let's go. Wow, suddenly you know how to swim agad? Huh?
I know how that to swim agad.
Wow. Eh, but still, I told you, put your feet on the back. Not on the front. Not on the front. Wow, you're so good.
Yes,
Mag-enjoy na siya.
Okay.
Kaya na niya mag-isa.
The pool is such a chill hangout at night, and they're actually open till 10 p.m.
Papa's relaxing here. It's so relaxing here.
Like this.
Is it cold?
The one.
It's not as cold, no?
I'm just thinking about you.
Oh, so sweet. Where are you going? Uy.
Hello? Anybody
Earth to you. Yan. Step. Good. Who's catching you? Go, 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 go. I want to... Which design do you like?
This one.
That one.
Yeah, I like that side. I like this side.
How about the buffet? Did you love eating and eating?
Yes.
What's your favorite food?
Noodles lang.
Noodles? How about pancake?
Noodle and bread and watermelon and pancakes.
Wow. Okay. We have our breakfast. What did you bring for breakfast?
My Legos.
We can't play Legos while eating.
No.
Come on, let's go.
We were able to avail our first breakfast at a promo add-on rate of 2,000 for two. It was the classic heat experience and I loved the garden view. I went for my usual, omelette noodles with much needed coffee.
Are you eating your bread?
Yes.
Can you show me what you're eating? Wow, you're almost done.
But our second breakfast was unexpectedly better. Aside from being complimentary, due to the volume of people, they gave us the option to have the heat breakfast upstairs at Senju. I was honestly amazed. They brought the entire heat spread up there. You get all the food, but with that calm, premium Senju vibe.
Oh, did you get your food?
Yes. That is my pancake nachos. I can just make it.
Do you want me to what? May kanin salad sila?
Oo. Nandun sa Japanese. Hey, I have crayon. Do you like your food?
Yes, I like food.
Since we enjoyed our last Senju buffet, we went back to try their a la carte menu. We ordered sashimi and a bento set, but I have to say, masulit pa rin yung matsuri buffet nila. One of the perks of staying here is the direct access to the mall. If you want more food options,
Yummy.
Yeah.
need anything, or just want to window shop, it's all right there.
What are you buying? Tita. Wow, who is that you're drawing?
Mama.
Oh, that's Mama.
You have dance.
Wow.
Mama doesn't have bangs. Like that.
We need to just put it
No,
No.
that's cheating.
This one, no? Mash.
Wait. May time.
Ay,
Huwag ka makiyan kasi wala na rin.
ewan. Where's Zoey? Hi.
But Mama, build a castle. Build a castle, Mama. Put a window in the castle.
Gusto daw niya kumanta eh. Oh, sing na. It's on na.
Huh? What's this big hand?
And that's a wrap on our weekend staycation. Thank you for chilling with us during the Holy Week. See you on our next vlog. Bye!
Hello, Papa. How are you, Papa? Goodbye, Papa.
Goodbye!
Hello, Zoey. How are you, Zoey? Goodbye, Zoey.
Goodbye!
Hello, Mama. How are you, Mama? Goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye! We're gonna sleep na. Rest.
Wake up.